Ready? 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to draw government's attention to a few points here. This is right that the period of election propaganda is being reduced and there is rethinking about the sentence to be awarded to the persons indulging in malpractices. But I have to submit that some influential persons are put forth as candidates by some independent candidate and they are then misused. How will you be able to find this out? Although you have fixed rupees 5,000 as fine, but the person who has black money can very easily put forth 10 to 15 candidates. People like us will be put to difficulty because of this. In this connection, I have given notice of an amendment that this provision of rupees 5,000 should be changed and in case of Lok Sabha it should be rupees 10,000 and in case of assemblies it should be rupees 5,000. I should like the honorable minister to pay attention to this point. Next para. There is another point towards which I want to draw the attention of all the political parties. What arrangements should be made on the polling day? If one has got influence in some polling booth and one has 10 muscle men with him, one can easily capture that polling booth and get all the votes of that booth in his favor. I would like to know the steps taken by government to ensure that all the voters vote smoothly on the polling day. Further, I would like to know the policy in regard to electoral rolls and the polling booths. I was surprised to see that at the place I hail from there were polling booths for women and men voters at two different places. The result was that the people did not go for voting. Why should the members of the same family go to two different places for casting their votes? When this anomaly was pointed out, the answer was whatever had been done could not be charged. The situation in the rural areas is worse than this. There are the places where even now people have to walk down 4 to 5 miles to cast their vote. We cannot provide them transport because, as it is well known this time, the vehicles were inoperative because the tires were punctured. No effective steps have been taken in this regard so far. Our party has suggested that the government machinery should be energized to set the things right to ensure smooth voting on the polling day. Otherwise, there will also be bogus voting. All told, there may be 50% voting, and in this, there may be 10 to 15% bogus voting. Next para. Today, the voters are not that much interested in casting their votes as they had been in the past. These days, the voter is running away from the vote. We want that there should be such arrangements that the voter feel keenly interested in vote. He should not de-link himself from the process. We should not indulge in such act as to make the voter run away from voting. We are not giving any thought to it. I submit that we all should sit together and think over the steps to be taken to ensure as to how to make voter reach the polling station and cast his vote. Next para. Sri Santosh Mohanji was telling that the polling booths are provided at many nearby places. We have a school in our village, but the polling booth is not provided there. On the other hand, some temporary booth is constructed at some other place. The district administration should be given power in this regard so that they can take corrective measures when approached. Only then we can proceed towards right direction. Next para. My predecessor has rightly asked whether this 14 days limit is enough. I remember the day of Rajiv Gandhi's tragic assassination. Immediately after that, the next day, we had to move not to fight elections. Then there is the question of ceiling on election expenses. When there was election in our place for the first time, the ceiling was less, but this ceiling went to increasing during the elections second and third time. And the funniest thing than this is that the counting of votes takes place after a month. How will our expenses during this 1 month be computed? Why should counting take place 1 month after voting? I fail to comprehend as to why the votes of different polling booths are mixed together. This is done on the plea that it will obviate quarrels afterwards, as nobody will know how many votes he got from which booth. Next para. After all, electronic voting machines are going to be installed and counting will be in the polling booth itself, and the nature of voting will become known to all, and then elections to the post of pradhans also take place. Stop.